Here, man is no longer earthbound. From his new vantage point of over 1,000 miles high, he sees the Earth as a vast rolling sphere, upon which the oceans and continents are reduced to simple patterns of light and dark. Great cloud formations will appear as small patches of snow. Evidence of man's existence is almost invisible. Large cities can be seen only with the aid of powerful optical equipment. Meteorologists will make studies for long-range weather forecasting. The science of astrophysics will welcome the clear views of our moon and planets, unhampered by atmospheric disturbances. Space medicine will benefit from tests conducted with new type spacesuits.
Air Force Kepler replacement calling XR1. We have you in radar contact at 107 miles due south of station at 29. Estimate you at Prestwick Station, Delta at 37.
Tests and observations by the crew will lay the groundwork for the future construction of a space station and will add to our knowledge of many sciences.
Rocket approaching from 3 o'clock high.
At a pre-calculated time, the rocket's path will cross that of the instrument carrier, sent into space a few years before. "22 hours after takeoff, our spaceship has made 11 revolutions around the world. It is now time to make the return trip. The engineer releases the third stage. It'll be left circling in space. All tests are now concluded. The navigator checks the ship's position for return firing. 1 minute to go. The automatic firing timer is set. The ship is lined up so the blast of the motor will be against its forward motion. This will slow the rocket's speed and cause it to begin its long glide back to Earth. The ship is now moving 1,000 miles per hour slower. After coasting halfway around the world, the rocket will leave the vacuum of space and sweep into the upper layers of the Earth's atmosphere, where air friction will gradually reduce the rocket's speed. When the ship drops to an altitude of 50 miles, air pressure will build up on the control surfaces. For the first time in the entire flight, the captain will be able to fly the rocket as a normal plane. Air friction begins to send the skin temperature of the rocket climbing until the ship glows cherry red at 1,350 degrees. The double hull and refrigeration keep the crew from perishing. The returning rocket continues the long glide down into the lower atmosphere, its temperature gradually dropping to normal as airspeed diminishes. Mission completed. Man has taken his first great stride forward in the conquest of space. His next goal will be the exploration of the moon, then the planets, and the infinite universe beyond.